real quick, while I'm waiting in the longest line in Michigan to get gas because it's 4:07 here. Everybody's here. Crazy, right? So I was just on Twitter and I seen Step App just released its beta sign up situation. So I have the referral code. I'll probably put it right here, or it will be in the link where you guys can sign up. And if you guys, once you sign up, you can put your link in the description. Somebody can sign up, give everybody some points, but don't put the link, put the code, because YouTube probably think you scam bots. So my honest thoughts, right? First day you sign up, so what you just do is click the link, put in your email. They're going to send you a code to your email. Put the code in, boom, you in. You're going to get some free fat points, F-A-T. So I guess you are burning fat, and that's going to be the concept, but you are doing all of this through a website and not through an application yet. And then they ask you to connect your wallet, but they don't tell you which wallet to connect. I'm assuming it's FitFi you would need to collect. But it's going to be interesting to see. A lot of people are signing up. I am excited. They said we have about 5 more days into the launch, but I don't understand why we don't have the application out and people is, I don't know, man. I hope they don't drop the ball, because Step App is doing amazing. Steppin is doing amazing, and they already have the blueprint to see exactly what they're doing. So I hope they don't drop the ball. So when you sign up, it's going to ask you for an activation code. So just click the code. I think I get 3 fats whenever you do get a referral. And the same thing, you know, we can share the love. You know, it's not greedy. So you put your code in there. See if YouTube, so if you don't see it, I didn't delete it. That's just YouTube saying no. But let me know y'all thoughts in the comments. Are you more bullish on Step App or Steppin'? Let me know.